Okay, continuing on. Students with disabilities. Suicide prevention statement. If you need help, please reach out. I am not a counselor, but I can get you in touch with one. College policies, ground rules. You guys can read. Financial aid, cancellation of classes, all of that. So all of that is in this syllabus. Let's go back. All right. You can find your grades. So under course information, I'm not going to click that because it will show a grade book of everyone in the class. Calendar. I have tried to make sure that all of the calendar events show up in here. And so Module 1 due dates. You will find way down here it will show up. Again, this will look a little bit different for you. All the Module 1 things are due Sunday night, 11:59. So you can find those due dates in your calendar. You can also find them back under content, getting started, course due dates. You can also find them under exam 1 material, quiz, due February 6th, quiz, February 6th, quiz, February 6th. Again, your quizzes, it goes into quizzes. It will tell you due chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and the exam 1, February 6th. Okay, so you will see all of those. And eventually the final exam will be here as well. Right now it is being modified. Let me think. If you need me, email me. My email is allison.england@ws.edu. You can also email me through eLearn. What else? Our Dropbox, this is where you would do your extra credit. You would write it up in something like Word and then submit it in our Dropboxes. I believe that is all I have at the moment. I will send reminders in the announcements. When you go to the very beginning of the course, you'll see news. This is announcements. This is where you'll find it. And if you need me, don't hesitate to reach out. This is what I'm here for. So I will let you guys go ahead and get started. Glad to have you in the class.